Did you know that AirCrete is a lightweight, fireproof, and do-it-yourself friendly building material? It's made from foam bubbles mixed with Portland and water, providing both insulation and structure. Build absolutely anywhere. Different types of AirCrete houses are possible: standard, high efficiency, and even passive designs that use almost no energy, and you can build them in any shape you like. They also resist pest, rot, and mold, ideal for a variety of climates: houses, walk-in coolers, barns, and greenhouses. AirCrete houses are also cost-effective, much more in reach than traditional housing when owner-built. It takes only one workshop to acquire the skills necessary. And so if home ownership seems impossible, consider building your own alternative home. The material is non-toxic, making it a great option for healthy living. AirCrete is a great conscious choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint or create a more efficient living environment, because energy is expensive and is the single largest producer of both carbon and pollution. And with AirCrete, you can create a custom home that is unique and energy efficient. AirCrete homes are also resistant to extreme temperatures, making them great for both hot and cold climates. And so, if you're looking for a more sustainable and cost-effective way to build your dream home, consider AirCrete as an alternative home, and consider attending an AirCrete workshop or video course. Click the link in the description for more. Come and learn how you can build not only the shell of your house, but every system that makes a house into a home: your electrical, your plumbing, your off-grid solar power systems, your composting worm flush toilets, and so much more.